Welcome, my name is ALLVIEW X4 and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through recovery mode. And this process will also remove a screen lock if you have one that you don't know the pattern to. So let me quickly lock the device so you can see that I have a pattern, and I'll begin from here as though I don't know the pattern. So starting off, we're gonna hold the power key and select power off. Wait for the device to shut off, and once it has, you then want to hold power key and volume up, both of them at the same time. And when you see the ALLVIEW logo, you can let go. And then we should be located in the recovery mode. So in this mode you will use only volume keys to navigate. Volume down goes down and up goes up, and power key will be used to confirm. And with that in mind, you want to select wipe data factory reset. Then again scroll down to yes, delete all user data, confirm that. Give it a moment, it takes about a couple of seconds, and there we go. Data wipe complete. And reboot system now should be selected by default, so simply press power key once more and this will initiate the reboot. Now keep in mind that the device is still performing the reset of it in the background, so it will take a little bit longer for it to turn back on than it normally does, so just be patient. But once it's finished, we should be then greeted with the Android setup screen, so I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can now set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.